Today's video is brought to you by KK the Chicken. So I got a gift from one of the kids, and this is the 38th model of the Pokemon series Charizard, and I'm pretty excited about this. Have not built anything like this before, so this should be pretty exciting. And over here we've got a preview, the Mega Charizard X, and this box actually comes with a couple of runners and a fully colored instruction manual, as well as some stickers. And moving on to this side of the box, it actually shows you the different movements that you can do to the head or to the hands or the legs, as well as the tail. Somewhat of a limited articulation, but should be a pretty easy build right here. Alrighty, it's time for a review, and it took me less than an hour. It was a pretty easy build. Comes with a stand as well. You can just put it on at the belly, and you can make it like a flying movement. This is what we have. Charizard. As somebody who grew up in the 90s, this brings back a lot of memories. Now, one of the things that we can do to this kit is to move the neck up and down, and as for the head, you can actually swivel it all around. For the mouth, you can open it and close it. And what else? You cannot actually twist the neck. Moving on to the hand, limited movement. I don't think you can turn it all around, but that's okay. And what else? Let's check out the legs right here. Overall, it's a very basic kit for anybody who likes Pokemon and wanted to start with. Go ahead. Wing is pretty interesting. They are actually connected, so if you move one side, the other side of the wing will move as well. And as for the tail, it has 2 or 3 segments that you can move it individually. And there's this fire right here connected by a ball joint. Okay, we're gonna check out the stickers, but you have it on the eyes, inside the mouth, under the wing, and also at the palm of the feet or the hand. As for the body, this part right here, no sticker, but from the tail onwards, you gotta apply the stickers on it. Personally, not a fan of stickers because I'm pretty bad at it. And yes, there's one more sticker right here on the tail. So yeah, overall it's a pretty fun build. It's pretty quick. You can get it done under an hour, and it is very affordable as well. Now, even though this is not one of the latest kits, but again, for your Pokemon collection, it's definitely fun. You can play around with it, take picture of it. So if you want to be a Pokemon master, you gotta go catch them all, people. Catch them all. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like it, make sure you click the like, the share, the subscribe button, and I will see you the next time, people.